Welcome to Stoic Mindset, a place where timeless wisdom meets your modern life. I'm your guide today. Together, we'll explore 10 Stoic affirmations, not just to memorize, but to live by. These aren't empty words, they're tools, forged by centuries of philosophy, used by emperors, philosophers, and everyday people to build strength, clarity, and peace of mind. Let's begin this journey together. 1. I control what I do, not what happens. The world is unpredictable. You can't command the weather. You can't control people's reactions. You can't guarantee the outcome. But you can always control what you do, your thoughts, your actions, your responses. Epictetus said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. When you do your best and things don't go your way, remind yourself, success lies in effort, not in results. Each morning, write down 3 things you can control. At night, ask yourself, did I stay true to what's in my power? 2. Every problem teaches me something. The wise do not hate hardship. They welcome it as a strict but valuable teacher. Marcus Aurelius said, "The obstacle is the way." Think about your past failures, losses, and heartbreaks. What did they teach you? Patience, strength, clarity? Every challenge carries a hidden lesson. When you learn to ask, what is this trying to teach me? You turn pain into power. Next time something goes wrong, pause and listen for the lesson. 3. I can handle this. You may be tired, you may be overwhelmed, but you are not weak. Being stoic doesn't mean you don't feel fear. It means you move forward anyway. Socrates faced death without pleading or panic. Why? Because he lived right and he trusted himself. So can you. You've made it through every challenge before this one. You're still here. That's proof enough. When the pressure builds, pause, breathe, say, I can handle this. Then take one small step. Send the email, make the call, clean the room. Action is your proof of strength. 4. Nothing can upset me unless I allow it. Seneca wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." An insult, a delay, a rejection, these only hurt you if you allow them to control your mind. Your reaction is always your choice. When someone tries to provoke you, ask yourself, am I reacting out of habit or by conscious choice? That one question brings back your power. You don't need to fight every battle. You only need to protect your peace. 5. What others think doesn't define who I am. We often put too much weight on opinions, praise, criticism, silence, or judgment, but no one knows you like you do. No one sees the full story of your efforts, your dreams, your struggles. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "We love ourselves more than others, yet we value their opinions more than our own." Remember, your worth isn't measured by likes, comments, or approval. It's measured by integrity, courage, and kindness, values only you can hold. Next time someone criticizes you, remind yourself, they don't know me, but I do. 6. This moment is all I have. The past is gone, the future is uncertain. The only thing truly yours is now. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present." Too often, we're physically present, but mentally absent, worrying about next week while eating dinner or checking our phones while talking to loved ones. That's not living. That's missing life as it happens. Train yourself to return to now. When you eat, taste your food. When you talk, really listen. When you work, give your full attention. Each moment you fully live is a moment of peace. 7. I don't suffer from things that haven't happened. People lose sleep and peace not because of what's happening, but because of what might happen. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." You worry. What if I get fired? What if they leave me? What if I fail? But in truth, none of that has happened yet. Worry doesn't solve tomorrow. It only drains today. Don't imagine worst-case scenarios. Prepare your best effort instead. Action replaces anxiety. 8. Treat success and failure the same. Both are temporary. Stoics don't get drunk on praise or crushed by defeat. They remain steady, like a lighthouse in a storm. One day you're praised, the next you're ignored. Neither changes your worth. Ask yourself, did I act with effort and integrity? If yes, then whether you win or lose, you've already succeeded. 9. Focus only on what's within your control. Much of our stress comes from trying to control things we simply can't, other people, results, the market, the future. Epictetus warned, only a fool worries over what they cannot control. You can't force someone to love you, but you can be kind. You can't guarantee success, but you can prepare well. List what's truly in your control and focus only on that. You'll find freedom and clarity you didn't know you had. 10. I own my reactions. Life is full of surprises. What matters is not what happens, but how you respond. Someone insults you, a plan falls apart, a door closes. You can panic, or you can breathe, reflect, and choose your response. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Within you is a power. Just return to it, and you'll find strength." You are not your emotions. You are the master of your response. When you choose calm over chaos, you choose power. Final thoughts. These 10 affirmations aren't slogans. They're disciplines. They're the foundation of a resilient mind and a strong spirit. Repeat them each morning, reflect on them at night, and more importantly, live by them. You will become steady in failure, humble in success, free from the noise around you, and deeply rooted in who you are. Thank you for listening. If today's message spoke to your soul, please subscribe to Stoic Mindset. Hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. And share this video with someone who needs inner strength today. See you in the next episode, where ancient wisdom lights the way for your modern path. Goodbye.